Hello friends, welcome to my another video tutorial on MATLAB, and in my this video I am not going to show any programming concepts, rather I am going to show one animation which is really cool and you may also like it. So let's see. See, this is basically using recursion. Okay, so basically what is recursion? Recursion is a method basically for writing a program without any loop conditions. Okay, and what it does, we many time during programming we write some functions, right? So in recursion we write the function at the and the function calls itself inside this. Okay, so like one popular example, like you consider factorial. So like 5 factorial is how much? 5 factorial, let me write here itself. So if I write 5 factorial, that is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? But rather we can say 5 into 4 factorial, right? Because this 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is nothing but coming as 4 factorial. So we can say 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 factorial, like this, right? So basically if we want to compute 5 factorial, then we can do some processing such that we have to multiply, so that we have to make understand computer like this, that you multiply 5 and you calculate the factorial of the next lower number. So basically general expression can be written like this, that is n factorial equal to what? N star n minus 1 factorial, right? This is the basic factorial, that is recursive formula we say. So anyway, these are the basic concepts of recursion which you might already have studied in your programming course, which you have studied in your engineering in first sem or second sem, whatever. Okay, so what I am going to show you today, something really interesting with recursion. Okay, see here I have written one function, many functions rather I can say. See, CLC clear all close all, obviously you have to write. If you want you can write warning of also. Okay, fine. Now here I am calling some function. Total 8 functions are there. Function name is CM, CG, CX, CP, CA, CB, CC and CR, and their arguments are 3 numbers basically. So first 2 arguments are common in between all the cases, that is 10 and 10, and the next one, for the first 4 case I am taking 5, and for the next 4 case I am taking 4.5. anyway, so now we have to understand what are the functions basically. See here I have written the functions. All the functions are same, only just if you just bit modifications are there. If you understand one, then you can understand others also. Okay, so see here I have written the first function CM. So see function, then empty, that is bracket open bracket close. Okay, we are not writing any variable here. Then CM x comma y comma d. Okay, so why we are not giving any variable name? Because we are not returning something. Basically using this I want to show you one animation related to circles. Okay, so basically I want to plot that, so no need to return something, so that here I am not returning something. Okay, I have given only empty parenthesis. Now t equal to 0 colon 0.01 colon 2 star pi, as I want to plot the circle. So to plot the circle I have to use, you know, that very small increment of time period from 0 to 2 pi. Now if d greater than 0.01, here d is basically our radius, then m is equal to x star d into cos t, n equal to x plus d into cos t, and n equal to y plus d into sin t. These are basically 2 very popular lines for plotting one circle, which I have discussed several times in my previous videos. If you want you can check the description, I will post the link. Okay, then plot m comma n. I am plotting that, then hold on. Okay, because I want to plot something in the same figure. Then axis equal I have to do for plotting the circle, axis equal or axis square something, and then here no need to give this one. Okay, so now pause 0.1 for animation purpose I am giving pause, and then cm x plus d y d minus 0.15. see I am using one function, and inside the function I am calling that function again, x plus d y d minus 0.15, so that basically its center position will be shifted by d units for that is x coordinate, but y coordinate will not change for this particular circle. I am ending this if I am ending this function. Okay, so let us check with one example. Suppose let me write Control C here, let me write Control V, instead of x comma y comma d let me give 10 comma 10 comma 5. Okay, so if I enter, see how the animation is going on. Just let the, yeah, this is the animation, right? See, first circle it is plotting, then y coordinate is not shifting, center coordinate only, x coordinate only shifting by d unit, and the radius also shrinks by a certain value. This certain value is basically, here I have written that value. See, d minus 0.15. So in the next iteration it has to shrink the radius by 0.15 value, and then it is shrinking and going on. Okay, and but it has to end somewhere, right? Otherwise it will go up to infinite. It is not possible, right? So if d greater than 0.01, we are only entering in this particular part. So basically our loop will break if d less than equal to 0.01. Okay, so in this way this particular circle will plot, and like that I have done for I have written the same code, just x minus dy. This will take care of the left hand side. Okay, then this particular part x comma y minus d, this particular part will take care of the downward direction. Like this, for all cases I have written, like here x comma y plus d, this will take care of the upward direction. All right, and then here northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest, all the parts according to that, x plus d, y plus d, then x minus d, y plus d, then in this case x plus d, y minus d. All right, and then here in this particular case x minus d, y minus d, I have written just this bit modification, otherwise rest of the code is same only. Okay, so this is what about our original code. Now let me give some pause in between these two also, so it will look good. Okay, now let me paste Ctrl C, Ctrl V in between each function call. Let me give this, and here also Ctrl V. Okay, now let us try to simulate our code. Watch this, nothing else is there. I will post all the codes in the comment section of my this video. You can check there. Okay, thank you. So just watch the animation. So this is basically the animated version. Okay, I hope you have understood the code. Basically using recursion, this kind of interesting things also you can form. Okay, play with it, try it. If you make something new, please don't forget to share the idea. Okay, this is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.